So hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we'll be covering what is Scrum and why do we use Scrum. Throughout this course you will learn the entire contents of the Scrum Guide. Scrum Guide is like the Bible, or if you are JEE and NEET aspirants, it is like the NCRT for PSM1. Whatever questions will be asked in the PSM1, it will be from this one Scrum Guide. However, I won't be using the terminologies from Scrum Guide in this video just to keep things simple. Now, if you want to talk about Scrum, what is Scrum? Well, to understand this, let us take a small case. Imagine you have an exam in a few days and you have to study those chapters. How will you do it? Well, before anything, let us list down all the chapters that we have for the exam. Now that's done. Let us assume that we have an exam in 3 days and we have to study 9 chapters. Okay, so now let's build our plan from here. Now the base is, we know that we have to cover 9 chapters and we have 3 days. So what is the most efficient way to do this? If not efficient, what do you think is a good way to do this? 3 days, I can do 3 chapters each. Here I highlighted green, yellow and red chapters, which are, we can consider easy, medium and hard chapters. Now, personally, I think the best way is to do 1 easy, 1 medium and 1 hard chapter each day. So we can do that. 3 days, day 1, day 2 and day 3. In Scrum language, listing out all the chapters in the starting is known as a product backlog. A product backlog has no deadlines, it has no limits, it is just the to-do list of entire things you have to do throughout this project. So that's what we listed before. So throughout the whole project, you have to cover these chapters. Now we are splitting it into 3 days and each day is called a sprint. So we can create a sprint backlog here, which is those 3 chapters, 1 easy, 1 medium and 1 hard. So these 3 chapters I have to do in 1 day. Now this 1 day is called sprint and these 3 chapters come under a sprint backlog. Now what are these? We will discuss more in the further chapters or further lectures, but for now just follow along with me and it will make more sense very soon. Now this is basically how Scrum works. Maybe you have never heard these terminologies like product backlog, Scrum meetings or sprint planning, sprint. Forget all that. Maybe you have never heard anything before, but I'm pretty sure you have used the Scrum framework at least once in your life before. Because Scrum is nothing but it is taking one big task, breaking it into smaller tasks and doing it one by one. And this is usually what we do when we have a big task. And that's it. I guess that summarizes what is Scrum for you. And if you want to know more about Scrum Guide and if you want to read Scrum Guide, then I will link the Scrum Guide in the description so you can go to the official website and download it from there. And to know more about this, watch the further lectures and complete the course. Then I can assure you that you can finish this PSM1 exam easily and it shouldn't take more than 2 days to complete. So see you all in the next video.